Hello folks, welcome back to another video. Today it's just going to be a kind of day in the life, just videoing everything that I got up to today. So first of all, we have this Fiat Abarth up for a full deep clean, and then the Ferrari for probably just a wash and kind of a maintenance valet. So yeah, we'll get on with that and I'll just show you bits and bobs throughout my day. So on this Ferrari, it's just a normal maintenance valet. We do keep up with this Ferrari roughly every 2 weeks. It was first in for a deep clean that we always recommend for a first time customer with ourselves, and then just maintaining that car up to every 4 weeks. So this is me just going along the wheels, making sure they're safely washed. Don't look at the bahookie that is hanging out, sorry guys. Anywho, as we move on, I'll try to speed up this clip. So yeah, just making sure all our brushes, using all our tools and accessories to get right in about the wheel and arches. And this is just a time lapse of going round, making sure it's all wet, ready for that snow foam. So the full safe wash is done on the Fiat Abarth. Full safe wash and round it with a detailing brush and APC, making sure the panel gaps, badges is all clean. I'll show you on these cars, obviously like panel gaps, usual stuff, but see if you can see in there. Sometimes the wash mitt can't get right in there, so what we do is get a detailing brush and get right in there. So yeah, and same with grills, stuff like that. Just make sure that the brush is like getting into all the gaps, so as clean as it possibly can be. So now onto the decon. This actually has a lot of tar that I noticed. I'll just flip the camera around. So usual tar bits down there and along the skirt. Side skirt is hard to pick up on the camera. A bit there. There's a scuff. So yeah. Yeah, so I'll just show you a bit of the decon. So a lot of people do it a different way, but first of all we're going to go with a fallout remover. Remove all fallout, iron deposits from braking. Obviously this is in a bar, so I'm not sure if it actually gets driven hard. So yeah, we'll get rid of the fallout, and then as soon as that's done we'll go into the tar, because then we'll be making contact with the paint to get rid of the tar. So yeah, actually for fallout, the worse it smells, the better it is. That's what I find anyway. I had one that actually smelt not too bad, and it was terrible. So yeah, just get it evenly spray all over the paintwork. So what I found with like tar and fallout remover is you need to let it dwell. You need to let it to actually sit in the paintwork and do its thing. The thing with tar, a lot of people go through a lot of tar remover because they're just spraying it on and trying to get the tar deposits off. You're better, like what I personally think, spray it on, leave it to dwell, let it work, do what it's meant to do with the tar deposits, let it run. You'll see them running, and then that's when obviously try and take them off. So yeah, just spray iron there, letting that kind of soak up. Like obviously I'm saying like let it dwell, but don't let it dry. So yeah, I'll just show you, I'll just turn the camera around and show you. There's iron deposits. It's hard to see in the camera because of the sun. Okay, so there's a few tar spots there. I don't know if you can, don't know if the camera's picking them up, but they're kind of running. Try to get like a good one to show you, like this one. See how it's sort of running? So, letting the tar do its thing basically. And yeah, and then we'll remove. Okay, so that's tyre done, removed, and power washed off. So yeah, now we'll move on to the door jambs. I'll show you this in just a minute. I think you can see that on the camera. There we go. So yeah, get in there with a detailing brush, power wash it all. Good thing to do, I always get in there, different brushes, get right in there. Also keep a microfiber in there so you can just wipe down the plastics afterwards. Just dry them off. Detailing brush and a boot it. But see these foam brushes? This is where it's at. Right in there. Right at the back. It's foam, so it's obviously not damaging. So full decon done, safe wash done, decon done, door jam, shuts, the boot as I've seen, usual boot stuff, all the green mould. So make sure, well obviously you can if you want, but I like to make sure you get in all about it. It just shows obviously you care about the details. Right, so anyway, onto protection. Wet coat G-on. This stuff is top notch. Sometimes don't use it in all the car, use other stuff in the paintwork on wheels. Quick spray while they're wet, that's it. Power wash them off and that's you, coated. Obviously make sure you've cleaned them in full decon to make sure it sticks to the paint better. So yeah, and that's it. Not saying that's like properly protected or something, but it's just a wee quick protection. And obviously water beading as well, that always looks cool as well. And it's easier to maintain. So we'll just go on to the rest of them and protect. So obviously petrol cap with a lot wash on this. I'll probably put up a picture. As you can see, there's still a wee bit there. Get the cotton bud and a bit it. Obviously, we'll power wash all that away. And see in that gap? It's just in there. That's it. Just removing it all. Right in. Oh, I just realised you can't see. So yeah, in there. And up here. So that's fairly done. It's time to dry it off. Turn the hose off, get that, and we'll get it in, and we'll dry it in the bay. So, just deal with the interior time. As you can see, seats are getting a good shampoo, good hoover and shampoo, everything basically. Full deep clean, very good this one. So yeah, just need to dry it off, but it's looking good. So that's that in, we'll get the Ferrari over, and then we'll call it lunchtime. Hi folks, so that's the Fiat Abarth done. Now we're going to I've tidied up, shut the door, and we're going to go and pick up wrap for tomorrow's job. It is, I'll show you what colour it is anyway, but we need to get more of it. Bright orange. So yeah, we'll go and pick that up, and this is the Fiat done. I'll just show you a few clips, and I probably added a few clips in between this one and the last one, but yeah, and I'll just decide what I add in when I'm editing it. Not sure if I showed you the inside before. Seats all got shampooed, everything got shampooed and properly cleaned. So yeah, I'll just show you the other side. The boot fairly done as well, obviously. Wheels cleaned, and a barrel cleaned, tar removed, brake contamination removed. Matte steering wheel, that's where it's at. I'll probably put in a photo of the actual when it's shiny. People that follow my Instagram will know shiny is grimy. A couple of wee marks that I couldn't get off, but yeah. Looks great for a wee car. So yeah, the owner will come and pick this up later. The Ferrari, the owner's coming to collect that later on as well. Then yeah, that's us for the day. Hopefully you can hear me, but that's us done for the day. 2 customers came and picked up their car. So what? Now just on the way home. Text little Mo get dinner rolling. So get back, get that, chill out for a bit, and then probably go back to the unit. Basically I live my life at the unit at the moment. I'm needing to put another sun strip on the Stella because I took that one off when I was doing the full wrap and just never put another one on it. So I need to do that. What else? There's some bits of what I kind of saw in my car. It's the first Thursday of the month tomorrow. And there's a thing, like where I'm from, that there's a cruise, like a big cruise that everybody goes to and stuff. So, might go to that, not sure. So, yeah, probably get the car ready for that. Is there anything else? That's probably about it. Might film some stuff later on, so I won't like close off the video now. So, I kind of could say but just a thing. What do you think of the Carol seats? Nice and comfy, but anyway, so on the way home now, get sorted and then we'll head back. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. Just a bit of a mix up, don't know if I'll even post it. Make videos and never post them, so let me know in the comments what you think of Fiat Abarth, or would you rather Ferrari. Sorry, it's off a shaky as well, some coilovers, so bouncy. So see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. So obviously you can see that I never ended the video last night, just decided to keep it going. So today we have this Focus in, like I showed you yesterday I'm sure, that we've got the orange wrap for. So a few orange bits are going on it, lights are getting tinted, and a wash as well, much needed. So this is, the customer just bought this and the dealership says to put one of their coatings on it apparently, but so when we wash it we'll find out if there's a coating on it. Then available even dealership coatings. So yeah, mirror caps as well, they're going orange. So yeah, just show you some of it and hope you enjoy. So there we go, long mirrors are wrapped in sunset orange. So this is the car so far. Obviously we've got that a bit under there, that's just sitting there. And it's got to do the side skirt in the front. Long mirrors are done as well. But it's feeding time at the zoo. So I'll show you what we have. Whew, Jesus. I couldn't get them, like, what I'm planning is, if anybody's done this, put the macaroni on the burger. Dynamite, honestly. Try it before you hate. It obviously looks like a lot, it is a lot, but I'm not going to eat all that. So, happy days. Enjoy your Thursday, people. And that's a wrap. Get it? No? Okay. Anyway, Ford Focus done. Side skirts wrapped in gloss sunset orange. Weird diffuser part. Other side skirt, and I'll show you the front. One mirror's done. And the bottom kind of sputter kind of bit done in sunset orange as well. So now we're going to wash it. Hopefully the rain stays off. Give it a good wash. Get these clean. Get these wheels back to normal. So yeah, this is apparently been coated. I'm sure I said it in the start of the video in a dealership, but it's just kind of polish all over it. It's kind of left. You can see actually in the camera all the dots. So yeah, get rid of all that. We'll see if this coat. The customer wants us to check, see if the coating's on it. More polish left. I've got this Jag for tomorrow for red calipers, and yeah, so the lights are getting tinted next week, or it'll be another booking. So yeah, and I'm sure this customers would like our calipers done as well. So that's the Ford Focus done and complete. Well, we just still need to wash it, so we'll get that out and wash it now. Hopefully the rain stays off. Not really shot much clips today, just been really busy. So I'll show you some clips of the washing, and yeah, that'll be it done and ready for customer to collect. And that's the Ford Focus complete. Don't think I've kind of vlogged much of the wash as I was doing an Instagram reel, so check out my Instagram link in bio. But yeah, here we go, fully safe washed. There was actually no protection on it as well, unfortunately. So we've just added some protection as well. Unfortunately it's pulling down. Side skirts. I wasn't sure about this to begin with, but I like it. Hi guys, back again. Another day. Another day that this video is meant to be ended. But anyway, we move. So today we have this Jaguar XF, I think. Yep, XF in. I'll just show you there in the back. It's going red calipers. Right now they're just standard calipers. So yeah. We also need to go to the dump as well, get rid of all the stuff. I want to finish this video today so I can edit today. So that's the Jaguar done. Calipers are painted gloss red. I'll just show you a couple of shots of that now. Now we're going to go to the dump and take all the bags of rubbish there. And then I want to get other stuff kind of finished today. It's just been one of the days. If you know, you know. But yeah, so... Hello people, so today is Saturday. It is 8 o'clock and I'm just going to finish up the video here. This video was supposed to be like a day long, but it's just it's more than that. So, but I'm wanting to video today in the garage, so I'll finish today, then I'll just get straight into videoing like the next video, if you know what I mean. I want to try and like be consistent with YouTube, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, thanks for watching if you made it this long into the video. I did put the clips together last night, it was like 20 minutes long, but obviously I still need to cut a lot. So yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much, I do appreciate it. If you could just subscribe, leave a comment if you're interested in this sort of content, and I'm happy to make more. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram, it'll be in the bio as well. And thanks for watching, bye.